Welcome to NetSuite for Government. In this video, we'll learn how to use navigation shortcut groups for a more efficient workflow. Having metrics, reporting, KPIs, and reminders built into the dashboard is important to maximize effort and minimize time. The blue navigation bar is always at the top and provides drop-down access to all the menus and submenus throughout the system. However, the navigation shortcut groups is a fast and extremely efficient way to access the most frequently used functions. This portlet contains clickable links for easy access to frequently used records, transactions, lists, and reports. Rather than going through the menus and submenus to get to journal entries, the navigation shortcut groups provides a shortcut. Clicking Journal Entries takes us directly to the Journal Entries page. These shortcuts can be configured for each individual user, role, or organization.